Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an image in Gemini 2.0. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now, as you can see here, I'm in Gemini, and the first thing that we want to do is to select the 2.0 model. And in order to do that, you want to click Gemini in the upper left hand side. You see it's currently showing the 1.5 version. So click on this and you can switch this to 2.0. And as you can see, now I'm using the 2.0 model, the experimental flash model. Now, to go ahead and use this to generate an image, it is pretty easy. I'm going to simply ask Gemini. I will say create an image of a cat climbing a tree. Simple as that. And let the 2.0 model create this for me. And let's give it a moment. And there you have it guys. It creates a cat climbing a tree. And that's it. How to generate an image in Gemini 2.0. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.